Welcome to the future of gardening. Get ready to transform your outdoor space with 20 smart garden gadgets that make outdoor life easier. Technology isn't just for inside the home anymore. We're showing you how smart gadgets are simplifying yard maintenance, maximizing plant health, and enhancing your outdoor living experience. First up, let's tackle watering. These devices ensure your plants get exactly what they need, saving you time and water. Smart sprinkler controllers use local weather data to adjust schedules automatically. No more overwatering during a rainstorm or forgetting to water during a heat wave. Automated drip irrigation systems are perfect for pots, raised beds, or delicate plantings. They deliver precise amounts of water directly to the roots, reducing waste. Wi-Fi-enabled soil moisture sensors give you real-time data right on your phone, so you know exactly when your plants are thirsty, taking the guesswork out of gardening. Tired of the constant labor? Let smart robots take over the most demanding garden chores. Robotic lawnmowers handle the cutting for you. Simply set the boundary, schedule the time, and enjoy a perfectly manicured lawn without lifting a finger. And yes, there are autonomous tools designed for weed removal. These specialized gadgets patrol your garden beds, keeping them pristine and weed-free. Extend your enjoyment of the garden into the evening with smart lighting solutions that transform your space. Smart LED garden lights offer app-controlled scheduling and color options. Set the perfect mood for any outdoor occasion, right from your phone. Solar-powered path lights with motion detection are energy efficient and provide both safety and a beautiful guiding light, activating only when needed. Keep a watchful eye on your garden's health and security with these smart monitoring tools. Plant health trackers and diagnostic tools can analyze light, temperature, and nutrients, letting you know exactly what your plants need to thrive before problems start. App-controlled pest deterrents help keep unwanted visitors out of your garden using ultrasonic sound or safe spray deterrents that you can manage remotely. Outdoor security cameras provide peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your garden and entire outdoor perimeter from anywhere. Take your green thumb to the next level with smart systems that optimize the growing environment year-round. Indoor smart gardens use hydroponics to grow fresh herbs and vegetables right in your kitchen, ensuring a fresh harvest regardless of the weather outside. For larger-scale growing, smart greenhouses offer automated climate control, managing everything from temperature and humidity to light levels for optimal growth. These 20 smart gadgets prove that a truly effortless and beautiful garden is now within reach. From automated watering to robotic mowing and remote monitoring, smart technology lets you spend less time working and more time enjoying your outdoor oasis. The future of smart outdoor living is here. Invest in these gadgets and watch your garden thrive with minimal effort.